आओ देश का सम्मान करें, शहीदों की शहादत को याद करें। एक बार फिर से राष्ट्र की कमान हर भारतीय अपने हाथ धरे। आओ स्वतंत्रता दिवस का सम्मान करें। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाइयां। Hello friends, my name is Sejal Mistry and in today's video we're gonna speak about some really amazing facts of India. Let's begin with it without making any further ado. Did you know? Fact number 1. World's tallest statue is in Gujarat. State of Gujarat has this tallest statue known as Statue of Unity, India, and it is located at Narmada Valley and dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Did you know fact number 2? There is a day dedicated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in Switzerland called Science Day. Dr. Kalam has visited Switzerland on May 26, 2006, and that day is nationally known as Science Day in Switzerland. Did you know fact number 3? World's first hospital train. Living true to its name, the Lifeline Express aka the Jeevan Rekha Express is the world's first hospital train taking its service ranging from surgeries to cancer treatment to remote villages. Did you know fact number 4? Highest motorable road in the world. The world's highest motorable road greets you at Ladakh at an elevation of over 18,380 feet. The bike enthusiast take a note because little facts about India could bring about a new adrenaline-filled adventure for you. Did you know fact number 5? Most visited place in the world, the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Awarded by the World Books of Record, the Golden Temple of Amritsar is the most visited place in the world with over 1 lakh devotees every day. Did you know fact number 6? Bandra Worli Sea Link has steel wires equals to Earth's circumference, and this is a fact about India that many probably don't know. Each of the cable is capable of holding 900 tons of weight. The entire establishment's weight is equivalent to that of 50,000 African elephants. Did you know fact number 7? World's highest rail bridge in Jammu, about 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, the arc-shaped Chenab Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir is the world's tallest rail bridge. It stands at a height of 1,178 feet over the river Chenab. The construction of this bridge is still on. Did you know fact number 8? The Himalayas range have 9 out of 10 world's highest peak, a large part of which is in India. The mighty Himalayas boast of 9 out of 10 world's highest peaks, the highest being Mount Everest at 8,848 meters, while the entire Himalayas do not fall in India itself, and a number of highest peaks are actually in Nepal. Did you know fact number 9? There are over 9 lakh mosques in India, with 14.2% of country's population being from Muslim community. India happens to have the most number of mosques in the world. Did you know fact number 10? World's largest milk producer. This is a world record breaking fact about India. Love milk and milk products. Here's an interesting fact for you. Reaching over 155.5 million tons in 2015, India is the largest milk producing country in the world. Here is a graph showing you the numbers at 2018. Did you know fact number 11? This is Magnetic Hill, the only hill which has an anti-magnetic
force, and this is in India. You must go there. It says to park your vehicle on neutral gear and your vehicle will begin to move uphill on its own.
Did you know? Fact number 12. With over 40 Indian attractions in the list of UNESCO World's Heritage Site list is one of India's two most beautiful cities, Ahmedabad and the Pink City, Jaipur. With Ahmedabad having traditional houses that are densely packed and an urban landscape layout that was frozen in time, this city is a much deserved place on the list along with the Pink City's unique landscape of pink structures that go back to the city's old rule. Did you know? Fact number 13. Land of many firsts. India invented snake and ladder, shampooing, algebra and many more. A plethora of objects and concepts oriented in India starting from games of snake and ladder to chess, shampooing, number pi, diamond mining, zero, algebra, trigonometry, along with the finding of the presence of water on the moon. Now, isn't this an interesting fact about India? Did you know? Fact number 14. 1000 years old, Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world, situated on the banks of river Ganga and represented in the parliament by the country's PM Narendra Modi. The holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3000 years old, but according to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva found this city 5000 years old. You know? Fact number 15. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, a 4 hours drive from Aurangabad and doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret lake, travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temple around it. At last, I'll just say that India is a very beautiful, peaceful and amazing country with n number of religions, n number of people, n number of mentality. We all have to live together and need to live for our country. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are many more amazing facts, but these were few of them. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you really loved it, please like and share. Do comment about which of the places did you knew earlier and what were the really amazing facts for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.